Good day, I am Joshua Gokong, and I'll be answering about my life during my on-the-job training. So first question was, what was your most awkward moment during your OGT? So the awkward moment during my OGT was, it was during, I'll tell you that every month, every end of the month, we will have a inventory. By the way, I am working in a food industry in Talamban. So probably they have a many restaurants like Lantau, Thirsty, Mr. Zizzlers, Chicks Boy, Sabusay, Tops of Cebu, Matana, Rib House, and many more. And so back to the topic. So it was during our inventory, and eventually I am an introvert person, and and I was tallying the I was assigned to tally the products and count the products if it's correct, and it is how many products is left during that for that month. So it was awkward because I was selling the the product, but then when the time the team leader asked if the product was count right, but eventually was not. And it is because I am an introvert person, and I don't casually talk to other person, especially if it's not close to me. So um I get a lesson for that, since I'm working, especially if I will bring this to the reality. Probably I might be scolded or reported to the HR because of what I did. And uh, the 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 product was many, but then I wrote it as lacking. Okay, so I learned it that we should communicate with each other, every person, because so that the company will have a less problem, and it will have a good operations management. Okay, so the next the next question is, what was your highest moment during your OGT? The highest moment during my OGT was when uh I uh I was we are I have a task that I must finish it during that day, and without knowing, the HR will give me a reward because and because I finished the job on that day. And I felt that it was my highest moment because I am rewarded with pizza and ice cream together with my classmate. By the way, we are three classmates there. That was, I think that was the highest moment during my LGT. And number three is, what were the learnings you got during your LGT? The learnings I got during my LGT was how how warehouse management works, especially during especially the quality control, the quality assurance, procurement, and inventory plan, the warehouse how what is the warehouse doing. And and especially I learned that we must how to pakisama with other workers. I think that will be all. Thank you.